signs na tumatanda ka na. Gising ka na 3 AM pa lang. And parang may gusto kang kalikutin. Signs din na tumatanda ka na. Ayaw mo na maingay. Hence, I'll be changing my Vans and Hines exhaust to stock. Mas gusto ko na ng tahimik. Let's hear the Vans and Hines muna before I change it back to stock. Medyo naiingayan ako. So kung makapansin nyo, nasasapawan yung boses ko. Every time na nag-video ako, medyo hirap ako when I'm using this level. Medyo malakas kasi yung exhaust. I'm changing my Vans and Hines exhaust back to stock. I know, marami sa inyo magre-react. No, wag, maganda ang tunog ng Vans and Hines. Yes, I agree naman, but this time I need to change it back to stock. Parang mas preferred ko na natahimik. Dadating ka rin dyan pag tumanda ka. It's a good thing when I bought this unit kasama ang kanyang stock exhaust. Isa pang problem ko kasi with the Vans and Hines, every time na nag-video ako, nasasapawan yung boses ko. Unlike na paggamit ko ang Vespa, tahimik lang, maganda yung sound ng voice. So maski maganda ang tunog ng Vans and Hines, sorry guys, but I choose yung mas tahimik. In fairness, madali siyang tanggalin. Maganda talaga tong Vans and Hines look. Lightweight, sleek, minimalist lang talagang dating. At let's see, madali lang naman siyang balik if ever mag-decide akong
ibalik siya. Comparing it with this stock exhaust, parang kasing laki ng pata ko, medyo mas mabigat. Again, para mas tahimik siya, so I prefer muna yung tahimik. Susubukan lang naman natin. Unti-unti lang ang pasok. Yun. There it goes. There you go. We're done. Tag naman. Oh, diba? It's mas quiet. Pwede na yan sa mga kagaya ko. Yun lang, malaki siya talaga, pero I think that would do. Again, the Vance & Hines exhaust is okay. Ganda siya. Siguro when I eventually decide on replacing my Rebel with a different bike, automatic kasama tong Vance & Hines exhaust sa package, and I'll let the next owner enjoy it na lang, siya na lang magkabit. For now, happy muna ako sa stock exhaust. So we're done with the exchange ng back to stock pipe. Ito na ngayon siya. Sound check. O, diba? Mas tahimik. So this is now my Honda Rebel on stock pipe. Siguro for now, I prefer yung medyo tahimik na exhaust. Again, it's probably a sign of getting old na. So walang pasagan ng trip. I'm sure mixed reactions from the viewers. Siyempre yung iba gusto pa rin Vance & Hines. So siguro pag tumanda ka rin, you'll understand why. So for now, stock exhaust muna ako.